My name is Sai Shri. I build battery packs in Aurora, Illinois. Behind me are 16 sodium ion cells, no lithium, no cobalt, a fundamentally different chemistry. This is part one of documenting something that, as far as I can tell, has never been done in the United States before. A complete DIY sodium ion 48-volt home battery pack built here, tested here, documented completely.
Last video, we unboxed them. Today, we qualify them. Every single cell gets tested before it goes in the pack. We're checking 4 things: dimensions, weight, open circuit voltage, and internal resistance. Every cell has to pass all 4. No exceptions. Weight first. Spec is 4.5 to 5 kilos. The scale reads in, we're right where we need to be, consistent across the batch. OCV, open circuit voltage. These cells are in storage state, so around 2.67 volts is exactly right. And internal resistance. The FNRSI HRM10 is reading 1.84 milliohms. That is excellent. Batch average is 2.3. This cell is below that. Thermal check. No hotspots. All cells are reading ambient. 65 degrees Fahrenheit across the board. A cell that's warm at rest is a cell that has a problem. These are all cold and happy. Then we hit cell 066. OCV fine, 2.68 volts. But the IR meter says 4.92 milliohms. That's more than double the batch average. This cell is out. Cell 075, 7.33 milliohms. That's 3 times the batch average. Hard fail. Both cells are set aside. Replacements are already here. Every reading goes straight into the datasheet. 14 pass, 2 fail. Replacements already tested and cleared. Pack assembly map shows all 16 slots green. Next video, we open the Seplos Mason 210. The enclosure has been sitting in the garage long enough. Subscribe so you do not miss part 3. The early access link for the finished pack is in the description. This is just the beginning.